where are you from?
Hindaboski.
Where's that? Your state of origin.
Oh. I go to church. I don't drink. Origins, I know even like, I'm not a fan of it.
What?
I go on my ways. Okay?
No problem.
Why are you looking for a job?
So that I can see sometimes shopping. Economic, everywhere. Scatter.
So what language are you speaking with me?
Nigerian language.
Okay, I'll get back to you.
Ma?
I will get back to you.
No, it can never be that. You get back to where? See. No, let me start. This is a company. I don't want to start. That's how a lot of you are telling me.
I said I will get back to you. Is there anything you are not understanding? Kindly leave this room out.
Yeah, no fair. I will go. Please get back to me. Let me give you my number. My number.
Get out!
I get my number. Antonio, wait. Everywhere, faster. Ebura, say pe mi pada, auntie.
What? What do you mean?
Say you go call me. Ebura, swear, say you go call me back.
Security!
No, I'm